bwah, 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 bwah. Here it is. Please let me know how good that was. Here we have it. New Lego set. The Batman. Does it have a name? Yes, it does. Batmobile, the Penguin Chase. Better lighting. Alright. Here we have it. Batmobile, the Penguin Chase. We got Penguin running away from the Batman. Penguin must be running hella fast. This isn't the Lego Technic. I saw the Lego Technic Batmobile and I wanted to get it, but dang, I wasn't about to spend that much money, so I settled for the next greatest thing. Only 392 pieces. Set number 76,181. Comes with the Penguin and the Batman. And Batman for scale. Pretty cool. A little more on the back. We got the engine. That's about it. Probably the coolest scene of the whole movie. When the engine started roaring in that alleyway, oh my god, I got chills. Chills, chills, chills. Got some projectiles. Pretty cool. If only the lights actually lit up, that'd be pretty cool. But yeah. Let us build this thing. Okay. I'm gonna begin building. Alright, so I'm gonna start building this thing. Also, I recently started watching the new Cyberpunk anime. I think it's called Edge Runners. Dude, so sick. If you guys want a review of it, I guess I can leave a review of it. So just let me know down below. Let me know down below if you want a review of, my personal review of Cyberpunk Edge Runners, and I'll post one whenever I finish it. I'm currently still watching it, but so far so good. Okay, let's start this build. Alrighty, guys, that's another build. Um, this one's pretty cool. So, I mean, they're all pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. But basically, this is more of a downscale on the Lego Technic. They sell a Lego Technic of the Batmobile, which is super cool, which I kind of need. But for now, this one will do. Let me show you. Let me shine a light on it. Boom! There it is again. And like I always say, in all of its glory. Characters are back here. Oh, it's late. I'm about to be 11. Late. But anyways. So I kind of put these two here just to give it that effect that it's, you know, revving up. And they added like an extra one of these spiral ones, so I kind of just pretty much, I don't know, actually these are both the same length. Yeah, I think so. I kind of just added it instead of because one of these were supposed to go back here, but I kind of like the effect that it has having these two and then this one. Just a whole bunch of flames coming out of it. And it's kind of sloped, like at an angle. Well, not sloped, but slanted. I think that's pretty cool as well. And here are the 6 pistons. So the grill's kind of hard to look at because it's slanted downwards. Kind of messed up on the stickers this time around, but I tried. I suck at stickers. And it moves pretty well. Okay, maybe not that good, but still. The bottom of it. I think it's always so cool when they incorporate like under it had like some teal colors, and for no reason, because it all just gets hidden by the black. Here is the cockpit, steering wheel, a few gauges. Kind of like this right here. This is kind of like the old school park, reverse, neutral, drive. Go ahead and put Batman in there. Gotta drop the batarang, sorry. Dropping Batman on in. Put the hands lowered so you can sit snug. Huh. He's not wanting to sit fairly snug. There we go. Boom. No, that's pretty freaking cool. Does it still close with his, No, I don't think it's gonna close with the helmet. Sorry about my dog, he's dreaming. But if I take it off, his cowl, he's gonna have a sick headband. But only that way. I mean, they also added a different head as well for him. But this is probably the only way that you can fit the whole figure with it. There we go. And he's in there. Pretty freaking cool. And this thing right here. I have never seen this little launcher for a little gun. Shoots out studs. It's pretty cool. But yeah. Pretty freaking cool. Oops. Come on, Penguin. stand upright. If you can, let's add a little weight back there. Nope, not gonna wanna. Nope. There we go. Boom. That's the shot right there. All right, ladies and gents, and that has been another build. Again, that was the, what was it called again? It was called the Batmobile, the Penguin Chase. So yeah. All right. Well, that was another build. Pretty freaking sick. Another Batmobile, hopefully in the mix, coming soon with the Lego Technic. That's probably twice the size of this Batmobile. So when I get the money, or if somebody wants to donate it to me, I wouldn't be mad. Yeah. Did you guys have fun? I did. I always love freaking building these things. Another batarang. Look. All right, guys. Well, that was another build for Boro's Builds. Please let me know if you guys liked it, if you guys hated it, if you have any tips for me. I know the stickers freaking suck, so if you guys got a tip for me making the sticker or placing the stickers, please let me know down below. And if not, stick around for the next build. I have a Gundam that I bought a little while ago that I'm gonna build. It's freaking Captain America of a Gundam. Found it at Target and I thought it was kind of funny, so bought that to build. So that's gonna be my next one. Yeah, thank you all for hanging out with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Again, 50 followers, I'm gonna raffle off the other one, this one. So if you want it, subscribe, comment down below, like my video, share my video. That way I can get on the up and up in this algorithm, because I kind of really don't know how the algorithm works, but I'm looking into it. So yeah, stick around for the next build. This was another fun build. Again, this was the Batman build, Penguin Chase number 76,181. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, have fun. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everybody. My cat's bothering me now that everybody's hungry over here, so goodbye. So another kind of filler update. So at 50 followers, I'm actually gonna raffle, and then I'll let you decide which one you want to take. So you can either take the Batmobile or you can take the Thor scene. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, share on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you share your stuff on. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. It's been another episode from Boro. I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. Bye-bye.